Frozen crocodile tail meat rests in cold storage, awaiting controlled handling for precise food processing.
Workers inspect frozen crocodile tail meat inside controlled cold rooms to ensure stable starting conditions.
Frozen crocodile tail meat crates are moved toward conveyors for the next controlled handling stage.
Each frozen crocodile tail piece is visually checked for shape and surface consistency.
Frozen crocodile tail meat portions are weighed to maintain uniform processing flow.
Sealed steel crates are opened to fully reveal frozen crocodile tail meat for processing. Frozen crocodile tail meat is transferred onto trays to begin controlled thawing.
Trays enter controlled chambers where frozen crocodile tail meat begins gradual thawing.
Gradual thawing releases surface moisture while maintaining crocodile tail meat structure. Fully thawed crocodile tail meat is prepared for thorough washing before further processing.
Clean water sprays across thawed crocodile tail meat to remove surface residue.
Crocodile tail meat gently tumbles in rotating drums for thorough rinsing.
Workers manually rinse crocodile tail meat on mesh tables for final surface cleaning. Excess water drains away, leaving crocodile tail meat clean and ready for inspection.
Clean crocodile tail meat is visually inspected before precise ingredient preparation. Wheat flour is measured carefully to prepare the dry coating for crocodile tail fry.
Cornstarch is measured precisely to enhance the crisp texture of the final fry.
Fine salt granules are measured to season crocodile tail meat evenly.
Black pepper powder is measured to add mild seasoning to the coating blend.
Measured dry ingredients are positioned together, ready to be mixed into a coating. Excess fat is carefully trimmed from crocodile tail meat to refine texture. Connective tissue is removed to ensure uniform crocodile tail meat strips.
Crocodile tail meat is cut lengthwise to begin forming uniform strips.
Long tapered crocodile tail strips are shaped to maintain natural muscle form.
Crocodile tail strips are checked for uniform size before further processing.
Crocodile tail strips are aligned on conveyors to maintain consistent processing flow.
Thicker crocodile tail strips are portioned evenly to match uniform fry size.
Natural muscle grain alignment is checked to ensure consistent texture after frying.
Irregular crocodile tail pieces are removed to maintain consistent fry quality.
Approved crocodile tail strips move forward for final thickness inspection.
Strip thickness is carefully inspected to ensure even cooking during frying. Minor length adjustments refine crocodile tail strips for uniform frying portions.
Final trimming perfects tapered ends on crocodile tail meat strips.
Crocodile tail strips are arranged in single layers to prepare for coating.
Prepared crocodile tail strips move toward coating stations for the next transformation.
Trays are hand-aligned to ensure smooth entry into the coating process.
Steel trays enter the coating system, carrying evenly spaced crocodile tail strips.
Proper spacing is verified to ensure even coating of crocodile tail strips.
Raw pink crocodile tail meat is confirmed before dry coating application.
Crocodile tail strips move smoothly toward the dry coating stage. Wheat flour and cornstarch are combined to form the base coating mixture. Measured salt is added to season the dry coating mixture evenly.
Black pepper powder is added to complete the dry coating seasoning blend.
The dry coating ingredients are blended until a uniform mixture is achieved.
The prepared dry coating mixture is poured into drums, ready to coat crocodile tail strips.
Raw crocodile tail strips are added into coating drums for even dry coverage.
The rotating drum coats crocodile tail strips evenly with the dry mixture. A dry outer coating forms evenly on each crocodile tail strip.
Excess coating powder falls away, leaving evenly coated crocodile tail strips.
Remaining loose coating is shaken off before resting the crocodile tail strips. The coating texture is closely examined to confirm even coverage on each strip.
Full surface coating is verified to ensure uniform frying results.
Coated crocodile tail strips are laid on trays to rest and set the coating.
The coated strips rest briefly, allowing the dry coating to adhere properly.
After resting, coated crocodile tail strips move toward the frying area.
The coating stabilizes fully as crocodile tail strips complete their resting phase. Coating consistency is checked before crocodile tail strips enter the fryer.
Clumped coating pieces are removed to ensure even frying performance. Approved coated crocodile tail strips advance toward the frying station.
Coated crocodile tail strips arrive at the frying section for final cooking.
Clear cooking oil is heated steadily in preparation for frying crocodile tail strips.
Oil temperature is visually confirmed before introducing crocodile tail strips.
An empty fryer basket is lowered briefly to prepare for loading the meat.
The fryer basket is positioned and ready to receive coated crocodile tail strips.
Coated crocodile tail strips are loaded into baskets before entering hot oil.
The loaded basket is lowered, and crocodile tail strips enter the hot oil.
Hot oil begins bubbling immediately as crocodile tail strips start frying.
Crocodile tail strips fry actively as the coating cooks evenly in hot oil.
The coating shifts from pale to light golden as frying progresses. Frying continues until crocodile tail strips reach a uniform golden brown finish.
Hot oil circulates evenly to finish crisping crocodile tail strips.
The basket is lifted to visually confirm proper frying doneness.
Crust color is checked to ensure uniform golden brown frying.
The basket briefly returns to oil for final crisping.
crocodile tail strips reach their final golden brown fried finish.
The fryer basket is lifted fully, removing crocodile tail strips from hot oil.
Excess oil drains away from fried crocodile tail strips. Fried strips rest briefly above the fryer to finish draining.
The fryer basket moves toward the cooling conveyor for post-fry handling.
Fried crocodile tail strips are released onto conveyors for controlled cooling.
Fried crocodile tail strips move along cooling conveyors to begin temperature reduction.
Visible steam escapes as fried crocodile tail strips begin controlled cooling.
Controlled airflow cools fried crocodile tail strips evenly on all sides.
Strips are gently turned to ensure uniform cooling after frying.
Surface oil sheen stabilizes as crocodile tail strips finish cooling.
The crisp outer crust is visually inspected for consistent frying quality. Uniform golden brown color is confirmed across all crocodile tail strips.
One strip is broken open to confirm moist interior texture.
The moist, fibrous interior confirms proper cooking of crocodile tail strips. Over-dark pieces are removed to maintain consistent product quality.
Approved crocodile tail strips continue forward after passing all quality checks.
Metal trays are aligned precisely to maintain uninterrupted product flow.
Portion consistency is checked to maintain uniform packaged servings.
Surface dryness is confirmed before crocodile tail strips enter packaging. Final visual approval confirms crocodile tail strips are ready for packaging.
Cooling is confirmed complete before crocodile tail strips move to filling.
Empty open containers are positioned and aligned for visible filling.
Product and containers move together toward the open filling station.
Open containers are aligned precisely for direct filling visibility.
Freed visibility.
Open containers move forward, fully visible and ready to receive fried crocodile tail strips. The empty container interior is clearly visible just before filling begins.
The first fried crocodile tail strip is placed clearly into the open container. Additional fried crocodile tail strips are added visibly into the open container.
The open container filling continues until the correct amount is reached.
A top view confirms fried crocodile tail strips are clearly visible inside the open container.
Minor manual adjustment ensures even placement of crocodile tail strips inside the container.
Filled containers are visually inspected while remelling fully open.
Filling begins again as a new open container receives the first fried strip.
Visible filling process continues with the same fried crocodile tail strips.
Unsealed containers move forward, with fried crocodile tail strips clearly visible inside.
The same fried crocodile tail strips are confirmed inside every open container.
Containers are positioned under lids while remaining fully open and visible. A lid hovers above the open container, with fried crocodile tail strips clearly visible inside. The lid is gently placed, keeping the container unsealed before sealing begins. Containers are aligned precisely beneath the sealing machine before final closure. The sealing machine closes the lid securely onto the container. The sealed container exits the station, moving towards secondary packaging. Sealed containers move steadily toward the carton packing section. Sealed containers arrive at the boxing area for final packaging. Plain cartons are opened and positioned to receive sealed crocodile tail fry containers. Sealed containers are placed carefully into open cartons for grouped packing. Each carton is filled neatly with sealed crocodile tail fry containers. Filled cartons are checked for consistent weight and stability. Carton flaps are closed, preparing boxes for final sealing. Carton sealing machines close each box securely for transport readiness.
Sealed cartons move toward pallets for organized stacking.
Cartons are stacked in a stable pattern to form shipping pallets.
A full pallet of sealed cartons is completed and ready for wrapping.
Pallet wrapping begins to secure cartons for warehouse handling.
Wrapped pallets are inspected to confirm stability before warehouse transfer.
Wrapped pallets are staged neatly within warehouse aisles for dispatch preparation.
Wrapped pallets are placed into cold storage, awaiting final dispatch. Finished pallets wait in inventory holding areas before shipment. A forklift approaches and aligns with a pallet ready for transport.
The forklift lifts the wrapped pallet securely for warehouse transport.
The wrapped pallet is transported across the warehouse toward the loading dock.
The pallet is guided into position at the loading dock. The wrapped pallet is loaded carefully into the truck container. The pallet is positioned securely inside the truck for transport.
Truck container doors close, securing the finished crocodile tail fry shipment.
The warehouse holds finished crocodile tail fry, organized and ready for delivery. Multiple pallets of crocodile tail fry stand ready for shipment.
With products dispatched, the production line clears and resets.
And this is how modern factories produce crocodile tail fry from start to finish.
Sealed containers briefly pass through as a final visual recap of the finished product.
Final dispatch checks are completed.
The delivery truck departs the dock carrying finished crocodile tail fry.
With dispatch complete, the factory returns to a controlled, orderly state. And this is how modern factories produce crocodile tail fry from start to finish.